Now just relax it down.
Oh, what the what? In 2012, I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. Cancer grew around my L2, caused a pathological fracture, caused tons of issues.
You were bedridden for how long?
9 months. Crazy.
You can do it.
Down more.
Oh yeah. Sorry, babe. That was better than some stuff that we do. JK. Seriously though. Oh
my god.
Did you just take my head off? Is this? Whoa. I feel like there's more cracks than there are vertebrae there. Oh yes, sir. What? That's why we came from Vegas. What?
So what would you say to people that do have stage 4 cancer?
Take your health in your own hands. There are way more options out there besides just those 2 mainstream options. I highly encourage you guys to check it out, including chiropractic, even with diet and exercise. That was really huge for me, and that's why I'm still around and alive. You know, they only gave me a year to live, and here I am.
You're kicking,
still
man.
standing 8 years, 9 years later. So
that's awesome. Bend with me. So I want you to loosen your shoulders more.
Oh!
Yeah.
My soul left my body. I wasn't expecting that.
So loosen. So right in here. This is that area, right?
Oh my god. Oh Lord. Okay.
It's a good kind.
Oh my god. You got my eyes wide open now.
Yeah. Your soul came back in, right?
Yeah, it did. I feel so much better.
You said, right, when you're coming into tingling in your hands, right?
Yeah.
How bad was your tingling? Rate it for me.
Normally it's like a 7.
What's it after that?
I don't feel it. Like for both of them now, I really don't feel anything.
Come on, that's good.
That's really great. Oh my gosh. I've been suffering for this for the past 6 months. This is awesome. It is amazing. Thank you. You don't know how much this means to me.
I'm gonna turn this. Alright. You just like Rubik's Cubes?
Oh my. Oh, you are sneaky. Wow. You use my Rubik's Cubes against me. Oh my god. Oh, I watch videos, but to actually feel that, oh my god, that's a wonderful feeling.
You deserve it. You needed this.
Yes, I did. It's just amazing how we neglect ourselves for the precious things we need. This is much needed. Everybody needs to come in. I don't even want to hold my head down anymore to look at my phone. I think I'm going to be like this.
You should.
I think that's part of the problem too. Not only the rear, just the phones in general. Just always doing this. Doing damage to the neck.
I said Rubik's Cubes, not just because of her shirt, but if you turn this way, Ken, her purse is a Rubik's Cube.
So you're adjusting my body like a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, just
Kinda
little puzzles here and there. Yeah, you're doing good.
Ooh wee, Dr. Tubio. Come on, man. You gotta warn me. Golly.
Oops. When you first came in, what were you feeling?
I carry a lot of tension in my upper shoulders, neck, my upper back. Just tight all the time. I'm over it. I just wanna feel like something is loosening.
Lay all the way back. When I tell you to relax, then you relax. You keep it there. Now just relax your body. Good.
Oh, Heavenly
yeah.
Father. My word. Every time you do it and you've only done it twice, I'm like, what is happening? That is genuinely divine. I certainly hope there are no critters trying to escape my nostrils. And she got that camera leaning down on my face like that.
So we just got here. You can feel the musculature a lot looser now. That's it. Let your head come all the way down. Now let the shoulders drop down.
Oh, I'm gonna fall on this freaking table. Oh my god. Oh, goodness gracious. I genuinely love you. If I'm gonna come 3 states away to a chiropractor, you know I gotta love you, man. Come on. You're awesome, and I truly appreciate this. I have been thinking about this for 6 months.
One more time, deep breath in. Exhale out. I want you to tilt the chin up a little bit more. That's it. Now it's opening.
Oh!
There.
You know how something's so good? You can't make it make sense, so you just have to laugh. You have a blessing upon you. That's all I can say.
Loosen up here more. That's it.
Oh,
yes.
Heavenly Father. The universe is coming into alignment with my back. That was great. I genuinely gotta figure out a way to get you back to it.
Good. There it is.
I didn't even know that was a thing. Everything's easy with Dr. Tubio.
Yeah. Finding. There we go.
This is a doctor's visit and I'm literally giggling.
That's good. So you see how it gets nice?
Oh! Ooh, I almost cursed, sir. I literally almost said a swear word. And I curse all the time, but I'm not going to curse on camera. Holy smokes. I think that cleared my sinuses. Ooh-wee. I think I could just drink some water and go to sleep. I don't need any food.
You're gonna need to do that. Chin up more. Chin up more. That's it. Now relax here.
Okay.
That's better. There it goes.
Oh my god.
Let the air out. Release your hips. Good.
Oh. I think the people in the next room heard it.
Yeah.
Oh, I genuinely do love you. I really do. And it's not, it's like a brother-sister love, but it's still love.
How you feeling now?
I feel amazing. I really, really do.
Good.
I really do. I feel amazing.
That's it. Let your head go down. Drop. Go. It felt good, man. Damn. Oh my god, I needed that, bro.
I think you did, man.
Yeah, man. Probably too much stress and too much alcohol and too much weed, man. I'm serious, man. I'm serious.
I'm gonna put that up on Instagram.
Yeah, put it on Instagram, man. Yeah, shit, man. Just put it out.
Oh my god.
Oh man, that's good, man. I'm relieved, man.
Yeah.
A lot happened to me. A few car wrecks, fights.
How do you think it's impacted your life?
They be having me angry a lot. Just being in pain and not being able to focus.
I think one of the things that you were saying to me that kind of just stuck out when we were taking the x-rays was that you realized you couldn't stand up straight. Go to the most comfortable position for you. That right there is that's your normal. Good.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, 5 minutes knocked out. Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they dead on the spot.
Oh my god.
Oh man. I'm gonna share the tip. I'm gonna tell everybody to believe the videos. He's the real deal.
Now look that way. Let's go. Uh-huh.
Man.
Right there. That's good. Look straight. Yeah.
I'm not being dramatic. I feel better, man. This is crazy. I can't stop smiling. I've been thinking about this moment since I started watching videos like so you posting people turning their neck. I'm like, I can't wait to feel like that.
Yeah.
It's like it came true. That's crazy, man.
Yeah. So your biggest thing is your feet. So the left one goes all the way down. The right one, not as quite far down as that's supposed to go. You alright? That hurt a little bit, right?
Yeah.
There he goes. Let's try to relax this right there. Good. Good. And let's try that again. And then do the right side. How does that feel?
Way better.
Yeah.
I can actually use my right foot now, not to just get on the bus, but to actually play with it too.
Yeah. How many years you been dealing with that?
Ever since I remember. I was probably like 13, 14. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Years of suffering, right?
Right. How do you think it was affecting your play?
You could feel it. Before you could use, play 2-3 games, but ever since that, 1 game at the most, and couldn't hold it because you could start feeling the pain on your ankles. But we're gonna test it out now. I'll come back with you now.
We're having to go low in this one because his head just going straight forward, right? So we're just pushing it.
Oh, what the fuck?
No. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where I'm at. Like, I don't know where I'm at. Like literally my head feels like it's just like spaced out. Like I feel like everything's just like coming back that wasn't there. It's weird. It's so weird.
Yeah.
It's so weird. I don't know how to explain it. Like,
It's like you're getting your body back.
yeah.
She suffered with neck pain for
Let it go
20
more.
plus years.
Let it drop. You still hold it. Still hold it.
It's okay, babe.
Gotten to the point where sometimes her arm would be on fire and she had to put it under cold water because of so much pain. I said, he's not gonna make me cry. He's not gonna make me cry. I feel good.
Honestly.
I have a new neck. Now I know what it feels like to be on this side. So I'm always watching and watching. I'm like, oh my God, that looks so good. I need that in my life.
It's not the pain that makes you emotional. It's really everything else that's associated with it. Your quality of life, your sleep, your energy, the relationships around you. And I know this because I've been in a ton of pain myself. Because it's just, you know, you're trying to get in any comfortable position that you can, and sometimes you just can't get there. A little bit, try to relax that shoulder more.
Oh! Wow.
When you first came in, what were you coming in with?
Before I came to you, I had been going to see another clinic. I'd feel relief after the first day, but it would never take. For whatever reason, I just knew that I needed something more. I can't explain it.
Drop the right shoulder.
Oh! That one was what I came here for. I need a minute after that.
Was there something like relationship-wise, family-wise, like spending time with your kids that you feel like has just impacted the most?
I'm just not in as much back pain. I can roll around with them, play with them, like my back doesn't hurt or my knees don't hurt. Twin boys who are 6 years old, they ain't gonna slow down.
More.
Wow. It just became so normal. I didn't realize how much it was truly affecting me until I started to get like sustained relief. How much more of a better, normal, every day-to-day life I could have been leading. Oh, God, dog. Thank you so much,
You're
man.
so welcome.
This cracking changed his life forever.
Oh my gosh. How is it affecting your life?
A lot, you know, I do a lot of woodworking and it's been preventing me from doing projects, you know. I don't want it to get worse than, you know, when it...
Stiffness there too?
A bit more stiff. It actually hurts right now.
More. There. There.
Wow. That was beautiful. I felt the relief actually.
Fold your head in here more. Yeah.
My soul must love my body. I had to catch it.
That's good. We're just... Oh my gosh.
That one was insane. Wow, that feels really good. Definitely felt that. Wow. I felt my whole spine being pulled. Woo. Wow. I mean, there's like zero tension. Insane. Feels a lot better.
How do you feel?
Appreciate it.
Yeah?
A lot better.
The crack on this was
Loosen
wild.
Right there.
I can lay on my back now. I couldn't, because whenever I used to do sit-ups, whenever we used to, the teacher would tell us to, we have to lay on my back in the floor. And there was like a lump here. I don't know, like a little...
Like too much. Yeah.
Yes. And I was like, I cannot do it. She's like, yes, you can. I'm like, I can't do it. It hurts. Like, try it. I'm like, no, I can't. So usually I couldn't do it. Now I can lay on my back.
That's awesome.
Wow. That's awesome.
That's great.
Her reactions were effing priceless.
Nice and gentle.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that?
Oh, I heard it.
Oh my gosh! Who are you? Oh my gosh! That felt really good. Thank you. That had not been done before. They would always tell me, you're too stiff. They would try manipulating my neck. You know, that has never happened before. Yeah. Never. So thank you.
Great. Hip. Oh, yeah.
Shit.
Wow. You're actually relaxing really well.
Felt really, really good. Oh my gosh.
Down.
Oh, wow. Oh shit. Oh, I'm speechless, man. My everything. Everything. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
That
Turn
felt
this way.
so
And let your head drop in. Fold.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh my god, that feels so good. Like, you don't understand. My neck has not been able to pop. I know you're not supposed to do that. But, yeah, you got it.
How do you feel?
Good, great,
Yeah.
amazing. I love it.